individuals experience unfamiliar anxiety, elevated heart rate, nervousness. So, what could be the reasons behind these symptoms? Number one, undiagnosed thyroid disorder. If you have an overactive thyroid called as hyperthyroidism, it impacts your anxiety, it can lead to irritability and nervousness. When you have underactive thyroid, a common condition called as hypothyroidism, the symptoms may appear like depression, unusual tiredness. So if you are experiencing an unidentified anxiety, it is better to get the thyroid test done. It is not just getting T3, T4 or TSH tested. You have to test the thyroid antibodies to rule out autoimmune thyroid related conditions like Hashimoto's, which can contribute to anxiety. Number 2, leaky gut. Chronic inflammation caused by the leaky gut may result in symptoms like anxiety and depression. So chronic inflammation may result in the depletion of happy hormones. It will not allow the uptake of happy hormones from the gut to the brain, which is making you more anxious and depressed. So rule out the leaky gut. Number 3, genetic factors. If your parents have history of anxiety, depression or psychological disorders, there is a 40 to 50% chance that you might be genetically predisposed to the depression. This could be the reason why even the smallest of incidents in your life can make you feel depressed and anxious. Number 4, trauma. Any negative incident that has happened in your life can impact your gut profoundly, which means that the negative emotions your subconscious mind has stored up will communicate with the gut and it will lead to the digestive issues. The gut-brain connection is so powerful one that emotionally taking care of your mental and well-being, physical well-being is absolutely necessary when you're dealing with anxiety. So you have to take care of your physical health and mental health while dealing with the trauma in order to resolve your gut health. So in some cases, the tendency is to become depressed is completely genetical, or in some other cases, irrespective of what it's a genetic impact, you really get to depressed or anxious due to the underlying factors which I explained before. So identify the cause and get treated accordingly.